PropTalk readers, Kaylee here, and I'm with Raul, who's the Vice President of MarineMax Vacations. We're on this lovely power catamaran, and I just wanted to talk about how to go about planning one of these trips. So, Raul, if someone wanted to do their first power catamaran charter, what should be some of their first steps?
Right. So you can, of course, research a lot of the information online. Major things is when do you want to go, how many people want to go with you, so you can start that planning process, check flights, and then which boat is going to be best suited for you. So those are probably the first things you want to do. Go online, check out MarineMaxVacations.com, or give us a call and we can send you a free quotation.
Awesome. And which boat model are we on right now?
We are on the Aquila 44, which is a 3-stateroom boat. Huge master cabin, beautiful, and the guest cabins are also very nice. Big fly bridge, great visibility from up there. It's a very comfortable boat to spend a week on. I think you just did, didn't you?
I know, so I just came back from a trip. You can read all about it in the latest issue of PropTalk, and after this we're going to show you around the boat and just show you why it's so awesome. Starboard cabin, plenty of space for 2 people, big bed, space on the side here. Again, just plenty of space. You can have a couple on this side, a couple on the other side of the boat, and then there is a master cabin. Okay, so now we're in the master suite. So you can see there's a lot more room than the side cabins. If you have the 2 younger couples up front, you can have the parents back here. A ton of space, TV down here. More storage space, and a very big bathroom for a boat of this size. This is one of 3 heads on this boat. This is the master head. Plenty of room. You can see, actually, very spacious shower, sink, everything you would possibly need. This is the middle boat in MarineMax's Power Cat lineup, mid-size. So from the bow, there's a ton of space to sit and relax. You can walk directly up to the bridge from down here. So I am on the MarineMax 443 Power Catamaran. We're on the bridge. This is where you're going to be doing all of your driving on one of these trips. You have a great vantage point off the bow. You can really see everything off of there. If you're interested in doing one of these trips, go to MarineMaxVacations.com. They're a great resource. They will tell you everything you need to know about planning one of these vacations, and then they'll get you to the BVI. So check them out.